Top 20 Benefits of Moringa. Moringa, also known as Moringa oleifera, is a nutrient-dense plant that offers a wide range of potential health benefits. Here I describe the top 20 benefits of Moringa. Often referred to as the drumstick tree or miracle tree, is a plant that is native to parts of Africa and Asia. Nutrient-rich, Moringa leaves are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and essential nutrients, including vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, potassium, and iron. It is good for health. You can use this in many ways according to your requirements. Such leaves are used by anyone. Antioxidant properties. Moringa is packed with antioxidants like quercetin, chlorogenic acid, and beta-carotene, which help combat oxidative stress and protect cells from damage. Moringa reduces the risk of chronic diseases in the body. Anti-inflammatory effects. The bioactive compounds in Moringa have been shown to reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. As we know, joint pain is really unbearable in such severe cases. Moringa helps a lot in reducing the inflammation in the body and also to relieve joint pain. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health issues, including heart disease and cancer. Immune system support. Moringa's high vitamin C content can boost the immune system, helping the body defend against infections and illnesses. The vitamins and antioxidants in Moringa can help strengthen the immune system, making it better equipped to fight off any disease in the body like cancer and heart problems. Weight management. Moringa helps in weight management by increasing metabolism and reducing fat absorption. It helps to reduce weight in a minimum time period. In females, they are very cautious about their fitness. Regular use of such leaves causes weight loss and keeps them fit and active. They can use such leaves in green tea. Blood sugar regulation. Moringa leaves may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for individuals with diabetes. As diabetes are spread throughout the whole world, which cause increased stress level or depression in people due to usage of such leaves, diabetic patient can control their diabetes in a fantastic way easily. Heart health. Moringa may lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart diseases due to its high antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Heart problems are really dangerous, but due to Moringa, it helps to reduce the risk of heart stroke and attacks. Moringa may help lower bad LDL cholesterol levels, which can contribute to better heart health. Blood pressure control. Moringa helps to control cholesterol levels and give a healthy life to people. The potassium content in Moringa can help regulate blood pressure and reduce the risk of hypertension and high blood pressure, as hypertension may cause stroke and attacks. Regular use of Moringa in tea or salad helps to control blood pressure levels. Improved digestion. Moringa is known to have a mild laxative effect and can aid in digestion by promoting regular bowel movements. Moringa leaves contain fiber, and fiber is good for health and boycott many diseases. It can aid in digestion and help prevent digestive issues. It gives strength to the stomach and solves many stomach issues. Skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in Moringa promote healthy skin by reducing signs of aging and skin conditions like acne and eczema. You can make a creamy paste of such leaves and apply it on the face for glowing skin. 60% of ladies may have skin problems and feel depressed, but now their problems are gone far away. Just make a paste and apply it on your face. Within a week you can see that you have glowing skin as well. Moringa oil, derived from the seeds, is often used in skincare products due to its moisturizing and anti-aging properties. It can help maintain healthy skin. Hair health. These days hair fall problems are everywhere. Men and female always love their hair, but due to hair fall, all get depressed and are under high stress. Moringa oil, derived from the seeds, is used in hair care products like oil, shampoo, and conditioner, and it can help strengthen hair and prevent hair loss. Eye health. Moringa is a good source of vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing eye disorders. Moringa leaves are relatively high in protein compared to other leafy greens, making them a valuable antibacterial properties. Moringa has natural antibacterial properties that can help protect against infections and promote wound healing. Mostly kids have an infection in their stomach. Sick leaves help to prevent stomach issues. Anti-cancer potential. Moringa extracts may have anti-cancer properties. They help to kill the bacteria of cancer in the body. Moringa's antioxidants and neuroprotective properties may support cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. Anti-allergenic effects. Moringa may help alleviate allergic reactions and symptoms due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Its anti-inflammatory properties have many benefits. Antifungal properties. Moringa extracts have shown effectiveness against various fungal infections. Bone health. Moringa is a good source of calcium, phosphorus, and other minerals important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. It's good for kids and aged people, as they have lack of calcium in their body. Energy boost. Moringa's nutrient-rich composition can provide a natural energy boost and combat fatigue. Such leaves give high energy to kids. They feel active and fresh. Moringa leaves and seeds can aid in detoxifying the body by removing harmful toxins and heavy metals. It's important to note that while moringa offers many potential benefits, individual responses may vary, and more research is needed to fully understand its long-term effects and optimal dosage. If you are considering incorporating moringa into your diet or using it as a supplement, it's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel.